Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. This is part 3 of how to make the trending pin like this TikTok trend edit using InShot. If you haven't seen previous part yet, just click the link in the descriptions to watch it. And then next, let's add rotate clockwise transitions between clips 10 and 11. Like this. And then for the 12 clips, add a black overlay. Like this. And then just go to mask and then choose circle, invert, adjust the feather. And then first just adjust it like this. And then add keyframes. And then at the end, adjust it like this. Like this. And then for clip 13, add animations again. Let's add fall left. Like this. And then 14, add a fall bottom left animations. Like this. And then between clips 14 and 15, let's add another black overlay and then just shape it like this. Go to max and then horizontal, and then go to max and then horizontal but invert like this. And then add a blur transitions like this. Okay, that's basically the tutorial. The rest will be continue in part 4. So see you in part 4.